In this video, we'll walk through how to return items using the Item Return form. Start by going to Inventory, then select Item Return under Field Operations. First, select the ticket related to the item return. Once the ticket is selected, the customer name will automatically appear. Next, choose the associated project and select the staff name responsible for returning the item. Use the comments field if you want to add any notes regarding the return. After that, select the return item from the drop-down and enter the quantity being returned. If you need to return multiple items in the same transaction, click Add More. The added items will appear in the Transaction Items table below, where you can review the item name, quantity, rate, ticket ID, and customer details. Once everything is verified, click Save to complete the item return. If you need to clear the form and start again, click Reset. After saving, a gate pass of the returned items is automatically generated, which contains the ticket details, customer information, project name, staff name, and the list of returned items. The returned items will also appear in the Item Return directory, where you can view all return records along with ticket details, staff name, customer name, project name, item name, quantity, rate, and comments.